What if you could wake up tomorrow and make $500 without leaving your house? No commute, no boss, just you in control of your income. Today, I'm revealing 12 proven side hustles that can get you there, and I'm breaking down exactly how to start each one, step by step. Whether you need extra cash fast or want to replace your 9 to 5, one of these could change your life. Let's dive in. First up, freelance writing. Companies pay $50 to $500 per article, and you don't need experience, just the ability to write clearly. Here's how to start. 1. Pick a niche: finance, tech, health, or anything you enjoy. 2. Create samples. Write 2 to 3 mock blog posts to showcase your skills. 3. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger. 4. Pitch clients. Send 5 to 10 proposals daily with your samples. 5. Raise rates. Once you get reviews, charge $100 plus per post. Pro tip: use free tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to polish your work. Side hustle number 2. Virtual assistant, VA work. Virtual assistants make $25 to $50 per hour handling emails, scheduling, and social media. Here's how to land your first client. 1. Learn basic tools: Google Calendar, Trello, Canva. 2. Define your services: email management, customer support, etc. 3. Join Facebook groups, search, hire a VA, or virtual assistant jobs. 4. Offer free trial: 1 to 2 hours free, to build trust. 5. Scale up: raise rates or retainer packages at $1,000 plus per month. Bonus: record a Loom video introducing yourself. Clients love this. Side hustle number 3. Selling digital products, step by step. Digital products equals passive income goldmine. Here's how to launch in 5 steps. 1. Choose a product: planners, resume templates, or Notion dashboards. 2. Design in Canva. No skills needed, use templates. 3. Set up Etsy or Gumroad, takes 30 minutes. 4. Drive traffic: Pinterest and TikTok tutorials. 5. Automate: use tools like Payhip for instant delivery. Real example: a simple meal planner PDF can sell 100 plus copies at 10 each, which equals $1,000 a month. Side hustle number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you sell without inventory. Follow this blueprint. Find a trending product, use TikTok or AliExpress. Create a Shopify store free trial plus Oberlo for suppliers. Run Facebook or TikTok ads. Set $5 a day testing budget. And scale winners by doubling down on products that convert. Warning: avoid cheap jewelry and pet rocks, find unique, problem-solving products. Side hustle number 5. Affiliate marketing, step by step. Earn commissions by promoting products. Here's the exact method. 1. Pick a niche: fitness, tech, or beauty. 2. Join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale. 3. Create content: YouTube reviews, Instagram Reels, blog posts. 4. Drive traffic: SEO plus Pinterest pins. 5. Optimize: track links with Bitly. Pro tip: promote high-ticket items, software, courses, for $100 plus commissions per sale. Side hustle number 6. Online tutoring, step by step. Tutoring pays $20 to $100 per hour. Here's how to start fast. 1. Choose your subject: math, English, coding. 2. Sign up on platforms: VIPKid, Wyzant, or TutorMe. 3. Set your schedule: evenings and weekends equals high demand. 4. Upsell packages: offer 10-hour bundles for discounts. Bonus: record short lesson previews to attract students. Side hustle number 7. Print on demand, step by step. Print on demand lets you sell custom designs without inventory or upfront costs. Here's your 5-step launch plan. 1. Choose your products. Start with t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. 2. Create designs. Use Canva or hire designers on Fiverr for $5 to $10. 3. Set up stores, Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. 4. Optimize listings. Use keywords like funny cat lover shirt. 5. Drive traffic. Use Pinterest and TikTok to showcase your designs. Pro tip. Research trending niches: pet lovers, gamers for faster sales. Side hustle number 8. Social media management step by step. Businesses pay $500 to $2,000 a month to handle their social media. Here's how to land clients. 1. Build a portfolio. Manage a fake brand or volunteer for a friend. 2. Choose your platforms. Focus on Instagram and TikTok for beginners. 3. Create service packages. Example: 3 posts a week plus engagement. 4. Cold email local businesses. 5. Upsell add-ons. Ads management and user-generated content (UGC). Key tool. Use Later or Planoly to schedule posts automatically. Side hustle number 9. Stock photography, videography step by step. Your phone can be a $100 a day money machine. Follow these steps. 1. Shoot high-demand content, lifestyle, tech, nature. 2. Edit basics. Use Lightroom Mobile for color correction. 3. Upload to multiple platforms, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock and Pond 5. 4. Keyword strategically. Example: remote work laptop setup. 5. Scale up. Film 10 clips daily with different angles. Bonus. Sell behind-the-scenes footage, it's less competitive. Side hustle number 10. Flipping items step by step. Turn $10 into $100 with this garage to eBay method. 1. Source products through thrift stores and Facebook Marketplace. 2. Look for high-margin items. Designer clothes, vintage toys. 3. Clean and photograph professionally. Use white background. 4. List on eBay and Poshmark. Write detailed descriptions. 5. Reinvest profits. Scale to 10 plus flips per week. Hot niche. Retro video games often sell for 10 times more their thrift price. Side hustle number 11. Podcast, voiceover work step by step. Your voice could be worth $100 to $500 per hour. Start here. Set up a home studio. USB mic with a quiet closet works fine. Create demos. Try commercial, audiobook, and animation styles. Join platforms: ACX, Voices.com, Fiverr. Optimize your profile. Use keywords like warm male voice. Network in Facebook groups. Voiceover jobs get posted daily. Pro tip. Offer 24-hour turnaround to stand out from competitors. Side hustle number 12. Coding, web development step by step. Even basic coding skills can earn $50 to $150 an hour. Your roadmap. 1. Learn the fundamentals. Free Codecamp or Codecademy HTML, CSS courses. 2. Build sample projects. Create 3 fake business websites. 3. Use freelance platforms. Upwork, TopTal for high-paying gigs. 4. Specialize. WordPress, Shopify themes are in high demand. 5. Increase rates. Add 24/7 support to justify premium pricing. Hot opportunity. Fixing broken WordPress sites charges $100 plus per fix. There you have it, 12 step-by-step blueprints to start making $500 per day from home. The hardest part? Taking that first step. So right now, pick one hustle, comment below which you're choosing, and take one action today. Whether it's signing up for Fiverr or visiting your local thrift store. Your future self will thank you. Which hustle are you starting first? Comment now. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We drop new money-making strategies every week. Remember, $500 days aren't luck. They're the result of taking smart action. Now go get yours.